Come on. Trying to fix your clothes to be cute and whatnot. Ain't like you finna be famous and some shit.
I am.
Soulja Boy ain't finna catch your ass, put you on his video.
He is. He's gonna be like, woo,
And we start from the stairs.
White looking girl taking her ass.
Come on. She don't know what she doing. She finna add her own parts because she don't know the dance that I made. Y'all see mine this week. What y'all don't know is she actually is a bird.
Oh! That's why you cross-eyed.
That's why your ass can't dance. You way ahead. Yeah, see, that ain't part of the dance. This bitch don't know what she doing. You want me to start recording?
No, I want to do a part here, though. That's all I need to do.